Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Mandy's Monday morning motivational workout. Today and over the next few weeks, we're going to be doing a series of workouts using office equipment to get you up and raring for the week. The first one this week, it is the stapler side step. So ladies, are we ready?
Ready.
Staplers, 2, 3, 4, 5. And change. One more time. Oh yeah. Okay. All right then, thank you. Shake it out, ladies. Shake it out, shake it out. So that's it for this week. Stick around next week. We're going to get the paper pushing going on. Have a good week.